Okay, this portion I'm going to show you how to mount the landing skid to the HPQ1. So pop out the plastic cover. You should be able to see two screw sets on this side with the little washer on the bottom of the nuts. And then you should also see two screw sets also with the nuts on the bottom. So what we do first is to open up, hold on to one end of this side, and just unlock the little nuts on all four of the screw. So that's two, and another two piece on this side. So once you put it out away from the screw, then you plug into the holes of the landing skids. I'm using the outer edge of the hole. That's one way to do it. The second way to do it, if it's too difficult, you can just take out the screw. So pop out all the four screws, and you can do it one by one. So put in the first screw in there first, and then it will be on the outer edge of these four holes. And then make sure you line up the yellow portion to the yellow portion on the front, because that is your front of the quadcopters. So that's how I insert it one by one. So that goes first. And then put a little nut back to it so it can fasten it, hold it for temporary. And we need to tighten it too. Okay, that will be the first one. And then I guess go to the other side and put in the second screw. And then to the bottom, put another nut on it. I'm using my hand. I have a small hand, so if it's difficult for any one of you guys putting the nuts like this to the screw, you could also use the needle nose plier to help you to fasten it as well. So I'm okay just using by hand for the moment before I'm using the needle nose plier to tighten the screw. So I'm putting my third screw set on it. As I turning the nuts here, I'm holding this side of the screw so that it doesn't turn together with the while you're inserting into, thread locking into the screw. So I'm holding this side, and I'm putting the nuts on the other side. Now, four of the screw go in there for temporary. So I'm using my tool. You need to have the Allen wrench. I don't know exactly what's the size of this. It says H2.0 for this Allen wrench. So anyway, you can pick up one of these from Home Depot. So one end go to the top portion of the screw, and the other hands go to the nuts of the screw. So just clockwise tighten it. So you do all four screws the same way. That's and then the other side. So grip on the nuts and then turn the screw. So that's it. This is how you mount the landing skids. So once you mount the landing skids, you put this cap back, the little cover, just pop it back in there, and that should take care of how to mount the landing skid.